Today with our indirect restorations, we're typically going to cement them or bond them into place. And what we need to do is we need to prepare the internal surface. Now, one of the materials that we use today that's very important to do this for is zirconia. The use of zirconia has just skyrocketed over the years. Now, when we take a zirconia restoration and we do the try-in, typically we'll get a little bit of blood on that restoration or a lot of saliva. Now, saliva has phosphates in it that make it almost impossible now to get a good bond to if we're going to bond that restoration in, or even with our cements that we use today that have some bond to it, we'd like to take an advantage of that bond strength. Well, Vista Apex now has two new products, ZRC and ZRP. Now, ZRC and ZRP can be used with all the different substrates that we use. It could be metal, ceramic, resin-based. But especially on zirconia, what we want to do is after the try-in is we want to clean off the salivary phosphates from inside that restoration. We need to prime that surface so when we're ready to bond it into place, we're going to get good retention. So we've got the ZRC and the ZRP. Now, even though it's ZR for zirconia, you can use it for metal, you can use it for resin, you can use it for ceramic restorations. It's not just limited to zirconia, but it's very important to use them with zirconia. All right, ZRC is an aqueous-based universal cleanser that's suitable for the non-abrasive clean of the intaglio surface of our restorations. Again, after we do our intraoral try-in, it's contaminated by the saliva, which has phosphates in it, and that adheres to zirconia, decreasing our bond strength. So ZRC is used to clean both ceramic and metal substrates prior to bonding or cementing them into place. Now, the impressive thing about ZRC is that it removes significantly more phosphates from the zirconia than other cleansers that are out there. And it can be used, again, on all dental restorative materials. A nice thing about this is we do not have to mix it. So there's no shaking that's required. And you'll see it has a nice color. This has a nice orange color. And it easily squeezes out from the bottle. And if that was our restoration, we could just spread that out and then rinse it off. So the handling and viscosity are ideal for our needs. And we can see it and visualize it very nicely. Now, the ZRC also comes in a syringe form. In the syringe form, it comes with the SpiraFlow brush tips. So again, if you want to dispense it with a brush, it comes out of the brush. And then once that drop enters our restoration, we can then just spread it around and make sure the entire surface is covered with the ZRC. And with this nice orange color, we can see where it goes. So ZRC, you need it to clean your restorations prior to bonding or cementation.